Hi, Mary Lafferty here. I realize it's been a while since I've done a Wife of a Car Guy video, so something just crossed my mind today. Coming home from my run, some content just basically presented itself. As most of you have known, I've shown in one of my videos a car line that we have here at Laffman Hot Rod Garage, all purchased by Chris Lafferty, who's the owner of that business. I'll show it in the background here. You can see that it's grown a little bit since our last video. Plenty of cars back there. So I had talked to my husband about possibly getting rid of some of those cars and some of those parts that are in the backyard. And when I got home from my run today, this was sitting in our yard. Let's see if you can see it. See that? It's nice. I'll back up here so you can see the full thing. It's he took one of the front ends of one of the trucks in our yard, fixed it up, and now he's selling it as yard art for anybody who might be interested. It's actually pretty cool. I wanted something like this to put in our yard in the corner, actually built in as landscaping. And that hasn't happened yet, but as you can see, we have plenty of car art right now. So anyway, this beauty is for sale. If you're interested, let us know. And if you're interested in possibly some yard art of some other sort, let us know, because as you know from my previous videos, we have plenty of resources and tools to pull from. All right, I'm out.